Sky Glass. It's not a smart TV, it's smarter. It's an Aura shows from Aura Apps side-by-side TV. It's a 4K ultra-high definition TV. It's a spine-tingling body-like sunlight in TV. And on top of that, no dish, no box, plug-in-and-go TV. So you see, it's not a smart TV. It's smart. Sky Glass. New TV from Sky.
Another good night of snoring away. Have a good evening and like and subscribe to our channel. Nice to talk to you. We'll speak again soon. Thank you.